Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Pausa Loper, and make sure first of all to subscribe to my channel, okay? And let's go straight into the video. As I always say and never really do, I stop talking and talking. Today I'm going to do a demo on another foundation. Yes, you know, I'm a foundation girl. I love foundation. Like, foundation are never enough for me. Give me one eyeshadow palette, I can live with that, but I need to have my collection of foundations. So I'm reviewing the Studio Fix Soft Matte Foundation Stick. It was released here in the UK on the 5th of September, which was yesterday, but I got it earlier because I was part, no, I was part. When you're subscribed to Max, you can have sometimes like you are able to get product like a week or two before the official release in store, okay? So that it is. So make sure you subscribe to all these like fancy makeup company, because you will have the opportunity to purchase the products before it is officially released. So I've been having this foundation for a week now. I've been trying it on. So let's jump into the video demo and review and see how it applies, how the coverage is, and how to get this look that I'm having on now. Okay, let's start. Let's first of all read the claim of this foundation, okay? And I'm sorry if you have to look at this acne scarring face for so long, but you know, you have to watch it if you want to see. So this is the new Studio Fix Soft Matte Foundation Stick. Girls, the new they're giving to these products now these days, like, okay, let's just go on. So it says it is 24-hour wears. As I told you before in my video, there is no way I'm wearing makeup for 24 hours, okay? My maximum is 12 hours, 14 maybe, 16 if I really stretch it at a wedding, but not more than that, okay? But it says it holds for 24 hours. Natural matte finish. Let's test it. Let's see if it's true. Customizable coverage, which means it's medium to buildable coverage. Medium to buildable. Do I really have to restart this video? No, I'm not going to. Medium to buildable coverage, and is a stick foundations, and is available in 33 shades, okay? My shade is NW47, okay? When the girl in store tried this foundation on me, I thought she got the wrong shade. It was off, but once it was blended, it was a perfect match, okay? So I'm just going to apply it. So I'll just leave it as usual. I will first apply it on one side, and then we compare the side with the makeup on and the side with no makeup on. So just to show you, and I'm actually wearing more than what I will usually wear, which is wrong because I should do it as much I will wear on a daily basis. But let's go on. So this is my face, no makeup. So I'm going to blend this foundation with my Kat Von D foundation stick. I don't really think sponge would be the best thing, but you can try. I always blend my stick foundation with a brush, okay? And this is it. So this is only one layer, or what, yeah, just one layer. What for me is satisfying. Lately I like natural finish. I don't really mind, no, I don't really want super heavy, super coverage foundation, anything on my face. I like medium coverage is perfect for me, even if you can still see through a bit of my imperfection. This being said, I'm recording in HD, and let me come closer. So this, let me start. This is without makeup, without foundations, and this is with foundation. Like, I like it. I sincerely, I'm looking in my viewfinder, I like it. The color match is perfect. I think it's a tiny, no, it's just perfect. I like it. Let me just stand like this. You can see it's perfect. With one layer, it does coverage 50% of the dark under circle under my eyes. Is not as visible as this side. You can still see I do have dark under eye circle, but a more of a, you know, naturally dark under eye circle, nothing dramatic and nothing like ooh. It's just there, nice and pretty and human. I like it. When it comes to glow, it gave me a very healthy glow, because that is what I'm looking for now this day in makeup, something that will make me look healthy and glowish. Okay, and coverage, this definitely is a light to medium coverage when with the first layer. Okay, and this actually is how I will wear it if I'm wearing this foundation out, because anyway I'm going to put powder, I'm going to put contouring and other products, so I don't really mind. And even if I'm not wearing any extra product, like only going to put on blush, I like this coverage. But just for you people who like the more fuller coverage, and sorry, I'm recording with studio lighting and on the background normal lighting, so if the lighting change a bit, it's just the weather. Okay, so let me just go and build it up a bit to see if for all you people who like building your foundations. And if I was to build this foundation, I will mostly do it around my cheeks area where I have more scarring acne mark. So let's go. And I never build my foundation on my forehead, because my forehead is the smoothest part of my body, and I don't think there is no need to cover more where there is no need to have coverage. Like, it doesn't make sense. So okay, this being said, let me try and just to let you know, I never build underneath my eye, because I wear concealer and that is already a coverage. Now once that is being done, I'll just take my sponge and try and blend and pack, and that's it. So let me come closer. This is once the product has been built, and I can say lately all medium to full coverage foundation, buildable foundation, actually do a great job on buildability. And this one too, the area where it has been built to the where it has not been built up, it blends in very smoothly. Let's see color matching. You can still see a little bit tab of difference between my face and my neck. Like you can see my face is a little bit more yellowish than my neck, but it's not a huge difference. You actually have to be keen on makeup and, you know, want to look for the difference between my face and my neck to see it. But let me just show you. And one more, this is the side with no makeup. No makeup. And that's it. So let me just go off camera and do the rest of my face, and then I will come back on camera and see how these foundations blend in with other cream products, because that too is important. You want to know how these foundations work with other products as well. done my makeup, is completed. I did my quick 10-minute glam look. So if any one of you want a detailed tutorial of a 10-minute glam look or something, you know, let me know in the comment sections. Now let me tell you what all I think about these foundations and these stick foundations. First of all, if any of you have used the MAC Studio Fix foundation, the liquid version, in the past and has break them out, I've tried this stick one and it's a total different formula from the liquid one. Personally, for me, the liquid version breaks me out within 1 hour of wear. Like, the product is still on my face and I actually see pimple appearing on my face. With the stick foundation version, it didn't happen, at least till now. I had it for a week and I've been wearing it on and off during this 1 week that I've had it, and sincerely speaking, I like it for two reasons. I like this foundation. First of all, even though it's a matte formula, it doesn't dry to a super matte drying look. It dried down to a very, very glowing look, which is something I'm looking for because I don't have time for looking ashy and dry skin, okay? Especially here in the UK. No way. Secondly, it doesn't break me out. Thirdly, is because it's a very light to medium buildable natural finish look foundations. Lately, as I said before, I'm all into natural looking skin. I don't really have time to look cake up, okay? The girl don't have time. I just don't have that time anymore. And the only thing I have about this foundation I don't believe is as long as it wear as it claim. 24-hour, definitely not for a poor oily skin like mine. It's not going to last you. This foundation lasts flawlessly. Like how I apply it now on my face is going to last like this flawlessly without touching up for 5 to 6 hours. Okay, I stretch it even long, let's say without touching up 4 to 5 hours. Then after that, depending on your skin routine and other things, this foundation will stretch to 6 hours without being touched up. After that, I have to blot. My T-zone gets oily and I have to blot it. There is nothing I can do about that. There is only after I've noted that when I wear this makeup foundation, because when I want to test a foundation, I primarily wear it to work, even if it's not my everyday work foundation, but I just like it because I am very like active when I work. I work for 12 hours straight, so I think it's the best way to try a foundation and see how it works. Personally, at the end of the day, around 5 o'clock, so you imagine I will wear this foundation maybe if I'm testing it during a work day, 6:30 in the morning, and I start work 7, around 5 p.m. things start going a little bit sour for this makeup on me. And what I mean sour is that I started noticing that for some reason the foundation still maintain its coverage, but it tends like to break apart. I don't know how to say it. It still have that same coverage, but instead of looking more like skin and blending in with my skin, it start looking like something sitting on top of my skin, if that makes sense. Instead of looking as flawless, as skin healthy looking as it now, after 8 to 9 hours worth, the foundations look like it detached from my skin, and it doesn't get oily. It just like you see something like I just look like something is sitting on my skin. So I don't really know if it's my skincare routine or it's just the foundation that does that, because with my other foundation it don't really do that. So 90% of the time I wear these foundations at work for an extended period of time. Towards the 8 to 9 hour, I did notice this change of the look of how the foundation appears on me. Okay, foundation collections, and sincerely speaking, I'm liking it. Especially I think it's because of the shade range, how the color match me perfectly. Like, I like it. It's matched me perfectly. I wish they had more shades. I noted that in the darker shade they have like gap in between. That is my opinion. I just feel like 33 shade they could have extended it a bit more in the darker shades area, but I will leave that to the YouTube people here who examine everything to the T. 33 shades is not bad to start with. I hope this is a start with range of shades and then to be expanded. And I forgot, when it comes about blendability with other products, it does blend well with my other product. And as you see from the tutorial, I did layers concealer of different brand on it. And let me come closer, and you can see that everything blend in nicely. That is something very important to me. Everything I put on top of my foundation has to blend in very smoothly, nicely. I don't want to see layers and areas of different products. If you know what I mean, you sister, you have seen girls wear products on their face and you can see the concealer layer, the setting powder layer, the blush layer. I don't like that when it comes to my makeup personally. I like when makeup blends in seamlessly. The different product I've used should blend in like they're all one, okay? So that being said, I hope you did like my review tutorial whatsoever. And if you are any of my old subscribers and you notice a difference in the quality video, yes, I didn't change much of when product. I'm still waiting for my softbox, but I did change the setting and I try to increase the quality of my video. So please thumbs it up. And if you're a new subscriber, anybody watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and don't forget to share, okay? It doesn't cost anything to share this video, to subscribe and share. I hope you do like it. I'm trying to be more informative and useful in my video instead of just coming and showing you overly seen tutorial, if that make any sense. And if you are liking the hair, like just look at the luster of this hair, okay? I'll make a video, not tutorial, a video explanations about which type of hair it is, where I get it for, where are my hair vendor, and how to get luxury hair, okay? So make sure you thumbs up, subscribe and share, okay? We shall see next time. Ciao.